Ooh.
Bro, what the fuck?
What? Let's see. Oh, in a minute. We'll go around the corner.
You fucking stupid fucking twat!
Whoa, that was close.
We talk, but intimidate her. Can't stop the cops engineering. Feel no need for any interfering. In the dictionary, life is more than ordinary.
By now, you should know this junction in Hull.
Get back there, sir.
It connects Derringham Street
Stay there.
to Springbank. It's a pretty simple,
They could do with a little bit of signage here to make that a little bit clearer.
yet utterly infuriating junction.
Where do you think I can go?
If you start going out, people are like, hey, what's he doing? And they'll slow down.
You lurch, and then you lurch some more, and whoever doesn't flinch gets to go first.
This is Nightmare Junction.
What are you doing? Oh, Get off your pissing phone there.
Fucking daft, wasn't it? What are you trying to do? Fuck's sake. Fucking hell, mate. Sorry.
Look at Randy Orton slithering.
Watch out, watch out, watch out!
You stupid cow. What does it hurt? You actually slowed down for a balloon, man. Pop.
Oh, I didn't hear
Oh,
it.
I didn't get it.
Nah.
That's right. Inferno. I think you've got this a bit wrong. Just an inkling that you've got that very, very wrong.
I'm not going in there for my pleasure. Like, Jesus fucking Christ.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, no, I didn't mean that. Oh, well, at least I know it's working.
Comedy sometimes they just like fun, but depending on the content, some things are more evergreen than others. The guide for how to repair and stitch
This is pretty incredible. This is the Seminole tribe. They're in Florida, and back in 2000.
Fucking hell. Jesus. Fucking no. Why are you beeping at me? You're the one who pulled out. And then he beeps at me. Good.
Take the next left onto West Street, then turn right onto High Street.
Come on, here you go.
Next right onto High Street, then turn left onto Vernon Street.
Whoa!
What the fuck?
Come on!
Christ alive, dude. What an idiot.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Why don't you just go up there?
I think I just walked past a human shite. End of the message.
Oh my god.
Someone has shut down the street.
I'm not even shocked.
End of them. It's fucking massive, it's no fucking animal. End of the message.
Fuck's sake, man. Oh, there's another one. What?
OMG, I'm traumatized. End of the message.
Oh. Oh, that never changed. You stupid cow.